Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie if you're new, and today we're talking about Christmas. Anyways, in this video I'm gonna tell you my it girl, hot girl wish list. You can also use this as like a gift idea guide for all of your hot girl friends, it girls, family members, you know, your hot mom. So yeah, make sure to click the little subscribe button down below and let's jump right into it. First category is hair stuff. I think you just cannot go wrong with getting hair related stuff for your girlfriends, and I'm talking literally whatever you want. If you have a higher budget, you can go for a curling iron, straightener, a really good blow dryer. But if you're on the lower budget side, you can get like the heatless curl set, some hair rollers, or like a really good hair mask, a heat protecting spray, a really good bamboo brush, scrunchies, claw clips, the little makeup headband, literally anything for hair. I think every girl would appreciate. So yeah, moving on into the clothes category, we are in the winter time, so anything sweater related would be a good idea. Sweaters, hoodies, cardigans. This is also a really good idea if you want to thrift your Christmas gifts, because it's very easy to find like a good, chunky, colorful sweater, or Vinted has you always covered. Make sure to follow me on my Vinted. Then cute PJ sets. I feel like every girl wants a cute PJ set or like a nightgown. I think it's just a cute feminine gift idea. Also, I just launched my brand Hen in the Clouds, and you can get these little cute PJ sets. I'm wearing the shirt right now with $10 off discount, so make sure to use it, and it's just the perfect gift idea. Also, literally anything from Skims or GRF Avenue. I don't think I have yet met a girl that wouldn't want something from these two brands. There's just so many good basics, and it's just like a good brand to have. You can also never go wrong with a good pair of fluffy socks or fluffy slippers and a bathrobe. It will just make her feel so cozy and cute. I think that would be such a cute set. Also, if she's a baddie, some gold vintage watches, that would be such a cool gift idea. Or some sunnies. I think you can never go wrong with a good pair of sunglasses. Even if they're like a cheap pair, like I don't think it matters honestly. Like if they're cool and you're a cool gift giver. Same with bags. I don't think you can go wrong with a bag. And then jewelry pieces, especially like bows or the little initials. I'm wearing my bows right now. They're from Beautiful Earth Boutique. You can use my code. I also don't think you can go wrong with a workout set or this little workout jacket. I think that's just something that every girl wants. And if you want the gift to be more personalized, you can get them custom patchwork t-shirts. These are again from my brand Head in the Clouds. I'm gonna link it into the bio. Also, if you have like a boyfriend, you can get this for your boyfriend and have like your own names on it. I think that's just like the perfect gift idea, honestly, but yeah. And it doesn't have to be a name. It can be like a birth year, for example, like literally anything you want. You can just fill out a form and I will make it for you. So that would be a cute gift. And then I also make these bow hoodies, which I think every girl should have. Like they're just so cute. Now moving into shoes, every hot girl needs a good pair of kitten heels. So kitten heels or Mary Janes, ballet slippers, Doc Martens, Uggs. Those are expensive though, so you know, I mean, all of these shoes are expensive, so this is more on like the higher budget sides, but also some colorful sneakers. I feel like every girl has like a good pair of white and black sneakers, but not everybody wants to spend a lot of money on like a colorful one, so a colorful sneaker I think would be a good gift idea, especially these Onitsuka Tiger ones. I love them. Or boots. Literally any type of boots. You can never have enough boots, I think, so yeah. Moving into skincare, beef tallow. I don't know if you've been on TikTok or yeah, but basically all the hot girls are wearing beef tallow right now. So yeah, that would be an amazing gift. Or honestly, any other skincare too, like a good cleanser or a face mask. But like getting somebody beef tallow just shows that you know what's up, you know? Moving into makeup, obviously anything from Laneige, Rhode, Glossier. I think everybody would want that. As for products, I really think every girl should have a good set of makeup brushes, and I feel like not everybody wants to invest in them because they can be quite expensive, so that would be a really good gift idea. Or a good makeup setting spray if you want like a lower budget side. And if you're not sure, you can always get her a Sephora gift card. Like you can never go wrong with that. So And obviously perfumes, but again, that can be quite expensive, so I'm gonna kind of skip over those, but that would be a really good idea as well. Now for my favorite category, home stuff. Cute glasses. Cute glasses. Oh my goodness, there's so many of them. I don't think you can go wrong with them. I think every girl wants them. Also, if you have a friend who, you know, moved recently or something, that would be such a good idea. Same with mugs, you can never go wrong with a cute mug or candles. If you want to splurge on one, get the deep teak one, or if you don't have a budget at all, you can always DIY one from scratches of candles. I've been doing that every single Christmas. It's my favorite hobby, so you know, you can get a little crafty and have cute gift ideas for free. Bed sheets. Oh my god, bed sheets. Bed sheets can be really expensive, but they can really turn over a room, and I feel like every girl wants a good pair of bed sheets, so yep. Sunset lamp, salt lamp, or any kind of little lamp. Lamps are a mood setter, so every hot girl obviously needs a cute lamp, and I feel like you can never have enough of them, so yeah, lamps. Also, you can never have enough mirrors, and there's so many different kinds. You can get like the makeup mirror with the lights, or like a very cool artsy one. Then I have some miscellaneous items. Digital camera. Digital camera. Every hot girl needs her digital camera. Also analog camera, but like I think digital cameras are just having their time right now, so that would be like such a good on-trend gift, you know. And also it's a gift that will make her even hotter, because like digital cameras only take hot pictures, so like, you know, it's a plus. And you can get these on Facebook Marketplace for like 20 bucks, so yeah. This is a little bit weird, but slime. Don't even try to lie to me. I know you've seen so many of these like cool, satisfying slime videos, and I think everybody doesn't want to spend their own money on this, but it would be like such a cool, fun gift idea. Like I would love if somebody would give me a slime. I don't want to spend my money on it, but I want to play with it and I want to have like the experience of it, you know? So yeah, slime, or a good coloring book, like a big girl coloring book that's like super satisfying. Also, you can get them like a good set of coloring markers, you know, to go with it. That would be such a good idea. Again, I've been seeing so many of these satisfying coloring videos on TikTok, and I just would love to have a good coloring book for myself. So yeah, also matcha with like the bamboo brush, that would be such a good hot girl gift idea. And a music speaker if she doesn't already have one, that would be so cool. Obviously, when it comes to electronics, you can obviously get them like iPhone, AirPod Max and stuff like that, but like this is a realistic gift guide, you know, so I'm kind of skipping over these things. But yeah, also a cute phone case would be a good idea. Also, they're like super cheap and there's so many designs on the internet, so that would be a good idea too. And yeah, the last but not least category, I have experiences. Basically, these are gifts that are not physical, but you know, it's an experience, obviously, that like, and it can be whatever you want. Like if you have somebody who's really into cooking, you can get them a cooking class, or if they're like a crafty person, you can get them like a pottery class or like a painting class. I'm dying with this lighting. I don't know what's happening. But I think every hot girl would want a yoga subscription or a spa day. I actually got that for my sister and I think she really enjoyed it. So yeah, spa day, yoga subscription, or like a boxing class or like a cool active class that like they haven't tried before. Or tickets. It can be concert tickets, theater tickets, opera tickets, or my personal favorite, ballet tickets. Getting all dressed up and going to watch ballet is just like one of my favorite ways to experience culture. Also, I'm a big fan of modern ballet, so if you have somebody who's like a ballet newbie, I would get them a modern ballet ticket, something, because it's like a mix of the traditional and like a typical dance, you know? The best of both worlds, basically. And that was all. I feel like this was so quick. Anyways, that was my gift guide. I hope you got all your amazing gift ideas. Once again, please go check out my brand, Head in the Clouds, to get yourself some cute bow t-shirts. It will take you a minute and it will make my day, so I would really appreciate it. Also, if you have a minute, go check out my Instagram, my TikTok, my Vinted, and my Pinterest. Oh my god. And that is it. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Yeah.